Welcome back to my meeting card tutorials. You can find our app in both Google Play or Apple stores online. Our goal is to improve the meeting verification process, using your mobile device to check in, check out and send meeting reports to your designated party. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a new meeting to attend. By now, you should have created your own personal account and have the ability to log in. If not, we have provided other tutorial videos which will show you how to do that. Once you're already signed up, let's show you how to create your first meeting. So, we will start off from the menu page. To create a new meeting, first click on the Meetings tab in your menu, which is the first icon on the top left. This will take you to the Meetings page. On this page, you will see both your ongoing and past meeting you may have already attended. If it's your first time, your meeting page may be blank, but later will populate once you've started attending meetings. Simply click on the button towards the bottom which says Create a New Meeting. You will be taken to a new page in which you will fill out the information about the meeting. You will enter the name of the meeting, starting and ending times, which day, and even type of the meeting. You may receive a pop-up to enable your location while using the app. This must be accepted and we will explain why. Our system uses your exact location at the time of a meeting. To verify, our staff members at My Meeting Card will call or check to ensure that the meeting information is correct before it's verified. This process ensures both parties that all users are attending actual meetings, as required. If your GPS or location service is accepted, then the current address will populate in the address box. If you see an error in the address, you have the ability to change it before submitting the meeting. The user also has the ability to pre-register a meeting by inputting the meeting information beforehand, but the app will not allow you to check in if the address and your GPS location information doesn't match when you arrive. In this case, we recommend you create a new meeting while on the actual meeting location. Once you've entered all of the information, click on Submit. You will receive a pop-up box which says Meeting Pending. Our staff will verify the meeting within 24 to 48 hours and you'll be notified when your meeting is verified and approved. Please check for emails or visit our YouTube page for more tutorials on using My Meeting app.